And here's how to restore deleted math notes on iPhone. Go ahead and open the calculator app. And now to enable math node, tap on this calculator icon and tap on math nodes. And you will directly jump into iPhone calculator math nodes. Here tap on this three dot, tap on recently deleted, and here you will find all of your recently deleted calculator maths. So from here you can easily recover any of them within 30 days. So all you have to tap on this three dot again, tap on select notes, select those deleted math notes you want to restore, and now tap on move, and here you have to select on my iPhone math notes and tap on done. Go back from here, and here we can see I've successfully restored all of my deleted math notes. Thanks for watching.